In this video, I'll show you how to connect Wise to Stripe payouts. Start by signing into your Stripe account. Once you're inside, go to Settings and look for the Bank Accounts and Scheduling or Payouts section, depending on your account version. Next, open your Wise account and get your bank account details. Copy the account number, routing number, IBAN, or other banking information provided by Wise for the currency you want to receive. After that, return to Stripe and select the option to add or update your payout bank account. Enter your Wise account details exactly as they appear in Wise and save the changes. Now, Stripe may ask you to verify the bank account. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete any required verification steps. Once the account is verified, set it as your payout account if it's not already selected. Future Stripe payouts will then be sent to your Wise account according to your payout schedule. Finally, monitor your Stripe and Wise accounts to confirm that your first payout is received successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Wise to Stripe payouts. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.